Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I do have a special casting which is part of J box J case. So this is a Czinger 21C. It is a hypercard hypercard. So let's start this video with this amazing casting, shall we? So as you can see here, it is our one of the hypercard, and it is a part of J case. So, this is a bought this at MRP, which is 179 again. So the card is looking fantastic. It is the color mixture is orange and black. It is a solid, very solid casting. I got from local shop market. I request you guys again and again, you don't buy from scalpers, as they please support the local shops, and they will support you back also by providing this kind of special casting. Also, but if you guys don't buy it from shoppers, they will not they will think there is no collectors in India, and the scalpers are grow eventually more and more because of that reason also. So I again I will suggest you people look up, go and please talk with your local shopkeeper, and they will arrange somehow, just like I am arranging my cards here. So let's begin with the videos. So the card is Czinger 21C. It is a license based original hypercard, as you can see here, and the card is looking fantastic with the orange mark and the black tail light details, black spoiler. And as you can see here, the front, let me show you the front here. I think you guys are able to see it. Yes, the front light and the mark logo of the Czinger is looking here, and it is looking very fabulous. Let me zoom it. And from the top you can see it, the looking is very great, and the spoiler of the black spoiler is looking great, and multiple the backlight is also, the tail light is also looking very great, and the car wheels with the gray finishing and the orange combination is looking absolutely gorgeous. And lots of people will think and it is a C-type charger port, but no, that's not true. The original card look also same. If you check out original cards, videos are also available in YouTube. You go search with Czinger 21C and you will find those videos here. So yes, the card model is absolutely great. It is one of my favorite from J case also. So out of 10 I will rate this card 8.5, obviously, because it is a hyper card, which is also road license and race tracking cars also. So it is a mixture of both. Because of that reason I am rating this much this card. Hope you guys like this video. Please let me know if you like this casting, and also please subscribe my channel and put a comment if you want to. And by doing that it will help me, and by doing that it will help me, and it will also boost my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you enjoy my videos, please put a comment and like my channel. Also you can share channel with others, so that it will increase my subscribers. So today it is a wrap up time. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and I will make other videos also. I have lots of JQ casting which I will review in near future videos. So for today it is a wrap up. Thumbs up.